Okay, John, this one's for you. I have got your mold made up here for your 10-ounce gunpowder bar, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it right now. There's the material we're going to pour it from. Okay, bear with me. Anyway, well, I guess that wasn't gonna work either way. But yeah. Huh, that bar came out completely different than I thought it would. Okay, this was these letters over here were ACE, but it didn't fill properly. But I really like the way the motorcycle turned out. Okay, I'm back with you on try number 2.
If I ever get back my blue jeans, Lord, how happy would one man be?
Just we lost the C in ACE, unfortunately. I got to keep working on this, unfortunately. Okay, guys. Okay, one more shot at this. I've had to retool again. So there is the silver, and here is the new mold. I've gone to a circular mold. So let's see how this one turns out.
Cause if I get back my blue jeans, I know my baby will be bringing them on home to me.